Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Chevy Silverado. Just going to give you a listen on that engine. It does have an aftermarket grille. Those LEDs don't flicker at all to the human eye. That's my refresh made of my camera here. I got alloy wheels and fixed running boards. You also have the steps in the corners of the bumper. You also have a spray liner inside and a bed cover. Got a tow package, sliding rear window, and tow hooks up front. You do have a leather interior. This middle console is flipped up so that it can seat 6. Then give you a shot of the VIN. This one does have the Z71 off-road package as well. Here's your 2- and 4-wheel drive toggle, also your lights. Come over here, we'll dismiss that. It shows that we have 62,172 miles on this vehicle. Here are your infotainment, push to talk, and trip computer toggles. So you can look at your tire pressure and 2- and 4-wheel drive and all that kind of fun stuff. Come over here, your stereo, you have a CD, AM, FM, and Sirius XM. Then you also have OnStar navigation. So you can also get navigation through your phone for free. Let's see. So it's wanting to connect to my phone, show you that we could do Bluetooth. And then you can also push to talk. Then you come over here, we'll just take it home. You also see that we have heated seats in the front as well. Here are your additional options with your parking sensor. Come up top and you have map reading lights. And there's your glove compartment. Come over here, flip this down. You've also got additional cup holders and additional power supplies right there. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact up front. It affected the grille. The airbags did deploy, but there was no structural damage. So we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection in the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.